Approvals are supposed to be green lights, but too often they become stop signs. A project gets a go ahead, but nothing moves. Decisions are documented, but no action follows. Sounds familiar? If you have ever felt stuck in any project wondering why things aren't progressing even after the right approvals, this video is for you. Approvals are just the beginning. The real project momentum comes from something deeper, something hard to build, and far more powerful: a culture of decision making. And that's exactly what we are going to explore today. Let's start with the power of ownership. In too many teams, once an approval is signed off, people still wait. They wait for more directions, maybe more clarity, or maybe worst, they assume someone else is handling it. Well, that's passive execution. What we need is active ownership, going beyond the checkbox, empowered individuals to drive outcomes, I would say, not just complete tasks. Create an environment where taking initiatives isn't just allowed, it's expected. When people own results, things move fast. Next, let's talk about the value of shared decision making. High performing teams don't just follow orders, they contribute to the direction. You want a culture where diverse voices are heard, where perspectives from developers, analysts, operations are heard before making a decision. Well, why? Because shared decision making leads to better solution and stronger buy-in. It builds the trust, and trust turns into speed, alignment, and fewer surprises down the line. Now, no culture shift happens without resistance. Navigating challenges and obstacles is part of transformation. Some people fear change, and some cling to hierarchy. This is where you need clarity. Define the roles, make responsibilities unambiguous, and use agile methods to create the small yet repeatable decision loops. It's not about top-down control. It's about empowering the team to respond with agility, not dependency. Let's take it a step further. Building a framework for success. A culture of decision making doesn't just happen by accident. You need structure, implement decision making protocols. There has to be some escalation path as well. What tools do you need to track those decisions, even those impacts as well, right? Layer in communication strategies that don't just inform, but engage. And above all, foster continuous improvement. Decision making is not static, it evolves, right? Finally, how do you know if it is working? You measure it. Start tracking the key performance indicators with the decisions. Are actions happening within first 48 hours of approvals? Are blockers being resolved faster than before? Celebrate milestones, not just deliverables, but for decisive behavior. And continuously assess what's working, what's slowing us down, and what needs refining. Building a decision-making culture is about tuning intention into motion. It's how you go from approved to execute and from aligned to delivered. Here's my take. In one of my most complicated integration programs I led, we didn't struggle with technology. We struggled with inertia. Everyone was waiting for someone else to move first. Once we introduced the structured decision-making rituals and empowered our team lead to act within boundaries, everything accelerated. The tools didn't change, the teams didn't change, but the culture did. And that's made the entire difference. Want to see the templates I use to structure fast decision making across distributed teams, or how I run those decision stand-ups that actually leads to movement? Drop in the comments below. I will walk you through with the real approach. I am Jesse. I have led tough projects, coached real teams, and I'm here to help you do the same. This isn't theory. This is the edge you have been looking for. So stay tuned, keep listening, but bye for now.